Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to join the Shopee affiliate program. It's a pretty simple process. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright guys, open up any web browser on your PC, laptop, or even your mobile phone. And then you want to head over to Shopee.com. And then from here, you want to scroll down a bit and choose your country or region you're from. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click on Brazil. I'm not Brazilian, but it's just for this demonstration. And then from here, if this page is in Brazil or whatever language you've chosen, click onto here and then change it to English. And then the page will reload. And now what you want to do is scroll all the way down the bottom. And then it will say Shopee affiliate program. So you want to click into that. Alright, if we scroll down a bit again here. Alright, this is in another language. So if we want to translate this to English, right click it. And then you want to click on translate to English. And now that's been translated. So you can have a read of this affiliate program if you like. I won't do it here. And to join, simply scroll up, click on here. I'm pretty certain that means join. Yep, it does. Now this page will say welcome to Shopee affiliate. So what you want to do is fill out this form here. Shopee account there, affiliate type, individual, enterprise, contact phone number, email, yada yada yada. So once you've done all that, click on submit and then you'll be a part of Shopee's affiliate program. So that's it for this video guys, how to join the Shopee affiliate program. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.